Good morning, dear students. We have started our new chapter, heat and temperature. Let's get started the next topic for the same chapter. Today's topic name is heat and temperature. Now, heat is a form of energy. I have explained in my previous video about heat and energy, and if something is energy producing energy, that means work has been done by that particular thing by one or another way. Now, heat is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hotness. Okay, it makes a body hotter than it was. What actually does by the heat is that it makes a body hotter than it was earlier. Even the internal energy of the molecules also raises. If you touch a hot object and a cold object with your hand, you can really have the sense of difference between your normal body temperature and those things which you are coming into contact with. If you touch a hot, however, you can only say that one object is hotter than the other. Okay, one object is hotter than the other. You cannot say by how much. You can only say that one object is hotter than the other. We need a measure for the hotness or coldness of a body. If we wanna know about the degree, so we need to measure the temperature, right? The measure of heat energy level in a body, basically. This measure of heat energy level in a body is termed as temperature. Now I will give you regular examples so that you would understand it in a better way. For instance, consider if I have a fever. Anybody who will touch me would have the normal body temperature, and when the person would be come into contact with me, he would feel the my higher body temperature, right? So in this way you can understand that whenever one person suffers from fever, its body temperature raises. So you come to know that the person is suffering from fever. The hotter the substance is, the higher is its temperature. A container of boiling hot water has more heat in it than the tip of a burning agarbatti. But the tip of burning agarbatti will have a much higher temperature. Temperature would be high. If you touch it, you would feel the raising point. You can feel that it's not normal for you to touch, right? Thus, heat can be defined as the energy transferred from one body to another due to temperature difference between them. So that's why you can say that heat can be defined as the energy that is transferred from one people to another. If heat flows out of the body, it cools the body, and if it flows into the body, it makes the body to raises its temperature. Heat is measured in the unit of joule, which was on the name of the scientist James Prescott Joule. Okay, it's very important, this line. Now next one is measurement of temperature. Now we came to know that there is a raising and decreasing in one's temperature. Now how would you measure those temperature? So we have some of the devices to measure the difference and the degree of the temperature. When we say that it is cold, okay, it is cold, the body whose temperature is being judged has a temperature lower than that of our body. ठीक है, अब अगर आप टच करते हो तो उसका जो टेम्परेचर है वो लोअर है देन योर बॉडी. इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड. इफ़ यू टचेस द आइसक्रीम यू कैन से इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड. When the temperature of a substance is higher than that of your body, for example, if you have some soup or Maggi, it would be very hot, you will need some cooling to become it drinkable. D1 is it is very hot. That means the term very hot is used to express an uncomfortable temperature. That means whenever you touch something and you just have the sensation of burning, it would come under the category of it is very hot and making you very uncomfortable. E. It is warm. Warm or warmth indicates the emotion of being comfortable as a blanket feels warm on a cold day. We eat, drink warm food. Warm you can consider as at a normal temperature that makes you very comfortable to be with. Now here you can see that when an object is very hot, very cold, we cannot touch it, right? We cannot touch it. We therefore measure the temperature with the help of a device termed as thermometer. Temperature of a substance is a measure that expresses its degree of hotness basically, and those degrees are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit are the two degrees in which we can measure the temperature. Next, you can see at the last of the page you have given the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. Heat can be measured in the joule. Unit of heat is joule. Heat energy raises the temperature of a body, right? Heat energy generally raises the temperature of a body. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is a measure of heat energy level in a given body. Heat जो है वो it is a form of energy and it can raises the temperature of a body. And what is temperature? Temperature is a measure of heat energy level. ठीक है, degree of hotness and coldness of a body. Second, temperature decides the direction of flow of heat from a body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. Third one is temperature is measured in degrees like Celsius and Fahrenheit, whereas the unit of heat is joule. I hope that page number 53 is clear to you. We will discuss clinical thermometer in our next video. Till then, bye and take care, and make sure that you would read the page number 53.